In this video, we will show you how to transfer iCloud to the new iPhone. Method 1. How to transfer backup from iCloud to new iPhone by restoring from iCloud backup. Step 1. Power on your new device, and you'll be greeted by a hello screen. If you've already set up your new iPhone, you'll need to perform an erase operation before proceeding. Note, this is how to erase your iPhone. The Settings app General Transfer or Reset Device. Erase all content and settings. Step 2. Follow the instructions to set up your new iPhone. When you see the Wi-Fi screen, choose a Wi-Fi network and join. Keep following the steps, and when you see the Apps and Data screen, tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Step 3. Log into your iCloud account with the Apple ID and password. Step 4. Choose a backup to restore when you are asked and wait for the restore process to finish. Then finish the rest of the setup steps. The content stored in iCloud will be automatically downloaded to your new iPhone. Method 2. How to transfer data from iCloud to new iPhone with iTunes. Step 1. Power on your new device, and you'll be greeted by a hello screen. If you've already set up your new iPhone, you'll need to perform an erase operation as step 1 of method 1. Step 2. Follow the instructions to set up your new iPhone until you see the Apps and Data screen. Choose the Restore from Mac or PC option. Step 3. Open the iTunes or Finder app on your computer and select your device. Step 4. Choose Restore Backup and choose a backup. If you need to recover data from an encrypted backup file, please input your password when prompted. Step 5. Wait for the restore process to finish, then finish the rest of the setup steps. Method 3. How to transfer iCloud data to new iPhone via signing out and into iCloud. Step 1. Navigate to the Settings app and select the bar that contains the user's profile. Step 2. Swipe down until you see the Sign Out option and tap on it to remove your Apple account from the device. After that, you will be required to input your secret Apple credentials and then choose the Turn Off button at the upper right section of your screen. Step 3. Select the copy of the information you wish to retain on the device. Then, navigate to the Sign Out option on the right side of your smartphone screen. Step 4. After removing your account from the old iPhone, sign into it on your new iPhone and tap on the Next button to move to the following step. To verify the sign-in action, iOS will require you to perform the two-factor authentication procedure by entering the confirmation number sent to your phone. Step 5. After verification is complete, input your iPhone's password to unlock the gadget. Step 6. Lastly, integrate the data on your new iPhone and iCloud account by tapping on the Merge button as shown on the image below. Ensure that you do not interrupt the data merging process by either disconnecting Wi-Fi or restarting the device. Method 4. How to sync iCloud to new iPhone directly with Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. Step 1. Begin the process by downloading and installing the Coolmuster Mobile Transfer application onto your computer. After that, launch the application and click on the Mobile Transfer option. Step 2. Link the two iPhones to your computer using a USB cable and hit the Trust button below the Trust This Computer pop-up message. Step 3. A new interface will appear, showing you the source and destination devices. Ensure the new iPhone is connected as a destination device while the old device is connected as the source device. If not, hit the flip button to interchange their positions. Step 4. Select the data you want to transfer and hit the Start Copy button to move the data to the new iPhone. All the selected data will be transferred to your new iPhone within a very short time.